Hello everyone, this is my extended video on BODMAS. So today we will be doing some more examples and the question which I gave in my previous video. But before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's get started. The question is 25 divided by 5 plus 3 multiplied by 4. So you can see BODMAS, we follow the BODMAS rule. B means bracket, so we don't have bracket. O means off, we don't have off. D means division, so we first solve division. 25 divided by 5 is 5. And rest of the numbers we'll write as it is. After that there is multiplication. So multiplication sign is between 3 and 4. So we'll write 5 as it is, plus sign as it is. 3 times 4 is 12. After that we have addition. So our last operation is addition. 12 plus 5 is 17. So our answer is 17. Let's see second example. Now the next question is 4 multiplied by 2 in the bracket divided by 2 plus 6 minus 3. Now let's see the BODMAS rule. B means bracket. So we have bracket. Whatever operation is there in the bracket, we will solve first bracket. In the bracket we have multiplication. 4 times 2 is 8 and other numbers we write as it is. After that O means off. Off is not there, so we will not do this. Next is division. So we will first divide. 8 divided by 2 is 4 plus 6 minus 3. Next is multiplication. So we don't have multiplication in the question, so we just strike off because we can't do. Next is addition. So 4 plus 6 is 10 and last is subtraction. 10 minus 3 is 7. Our answer is 7. Now let's see one more example. Now this is little complicated, children, but don't worry, it's very simple if you follow the BODMAS rule. First is again B means bracket. So what we will do, we will solve this bracket. Other numbers and operation you will write as it is. 8 minus 36 minus 10 is 26. After B is O. O means off. And off, wherever it is off, we multiply. Off means multiplication. 3 times 6 is, we will write as it is. Okay, if you don't want to write, you can multiply directly. 3 times 6 is 18. 18 plus 8 minus 26. After that division. So we don't have division here. Then we have multiplication. So multiplication is also not there. Then addition. 18 plus 8. So we will add these two numbers. Answer is 26 minus 26. And last is subtraction. 26 minus 26 is 0. Our answer is 0. So I hope you understood the questions and you can take the benefit. See you soon. Bye.